Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Quick crypto update again for those wondering why we're doing them so infrequently. Not much has changed since my last update. Besides, we were watching for the rally. We got the rally. Besides this little blip down, we got the really nice rally. I was watching for this 38,000, essentially 450, 500, which we've hit. All that is done, by the way. On a continued rally, watching for a close above this 38,450 area. Next minor target is 39,817. Next major targets, we got to go to the weekly. Next major target is 4,571. Should it continue? Then above there, I'm pretty much going to 42,450, and then we have this what a lot of people would call a neckline to this head and shoulders. The reason it's not a proper head and shoulders is not it's technically it's reversing this part, but it's not reversing this part. And we already have better targets below, so I'm not putting it on because of this big blip in the middle. So we're not trading that as a head and shoulders. But the next target is about 43,900 to about 44,500 with the declining weekly rotation zone. Now, I'm expecting this to roll over either at the top of the daily rotation zone, and if it keeps going beyond there, then I'm watching this key area right in here for another rollover. Again, this is just a short-term bullish bounce. And back to that's why we're not doing a lot of updates, is because until this stuff gets washed out with Tether and a bunch of the other stable coins and a lot of the crap going on, and a lot of the wash trading with Bitfinex and everything else, this is just purely just short-term trading. When Tether gets wiped, we'll see probably a decent drawdown at least to 20,000, if not below that, which is my next target lower. So I've updated the major and minor targets lower. The next target when we do roll over is a 31.7, minor 32.88, 30,288. Next major is 28,425. And then below that, we have 23,900 roughly. And then below that, I'm at this 20,400 to about 19,700 as a major target. So until this really gets washed out, and we will still have rallies and sell-offs and everything else, but I want to see the garbage get purged from the crypto market that it's turned into. I mean, there's always been the Wild West of trading and always the wash trading, but Tether, I've been harping on it now for a while, and it's just the random printing of unbacked assets and then trying to prop stuff up like there was more printing over the last couple days. And I'm not even going to get into that. Just start doing some research into Tether and whether it's fully backed and a bunch of the stuff with the Ponzi stuff. That's why I'm not doing regular updates, but I will help people on the longer term. And I'm not going to update anything besides Bitcoin and Ethereum because a lot of other stuff is just pure crap at this point. Ethereum coming down, we hit that 21,161 area reversal, also getting we spiked up not quite to that 2730 something area, but we're now back in the daily rotation zone. Next move I'm watching for is about 2770, then 2872, and if we continue higher than there, I'm still watching this key trend line with the declining weekly rotation zone. First target about there is about 2970, and then I'm watching, if we get through this, I'll be watching about the 3,100 on a closing basis, but on a spike up basis about 3,200. That's what we're watching. You can see still deeply oversold on the weekly. The dailies finally coming out of oversold, and we got a little divergence down here. So I'm still watching for some more upside potential before the next rollover. When we do roll over again, my next targets are 2021, then 1901, then below that, I'm watching for about 1417, then below that, back to 1,000 longer term. That should cover it on the quick little crypto update for this weekend, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye for now.